welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share a valuable secret with you how to efficiently back up your phone contacts and effortlessly retrieve them, ensuring you never lose valuable connections, even in the unfortunate events of a stolen, lost, or damaged phone. Part 1. Back up your contacts. Prerequisites are an email account already registered on your phone, an internet connection, and available data. Alright, let's start with the backup process on your existing phone. First, open your Settings app. Once you're in, look for the option that says Accounts and Backup, and tap on it. Next, select Manage Accounts. Now, choose the account you want to associate your contacts with. In my case, it's my primary Gmail account. After that, tap on Sync Account. Here, make sure to turn Contacts and other items to the On position. As you do this, your contacts will start syncing to your selected Google account. Once the syncing is complete, you'll see the Last Sync On, followed by the date and time under each item. And that's it. You've successfully backed up all your contacts. After this, remember two important things. Keep your email account password safe, and always have your original phone number associated with your email account for verification. Part 2. Retrieving your contacts. Prerequisites are your primary email account password that your contacts are associated with, original phone number that is associated with the email account, an internet connection and data on your phone. Now, let's move on to the second part, retrieving your contacts on a new phone. But first, this is a new phone which has only 27 contacts in it. I will use this to show you how the actual contacts retrieval process is made. My old one has 700 plus contacts altogether in it, which I have previously backed up. Now, on your new phone, find the Contacts app icon and tap on it. Next, tap on Manage Contacts. Now, tap on Sync Contacts or Google Contacts Sync. Since it's a new phone, you'll need to create or add a new account. Choose Google and follow the prompts. Enter your email address associated with your phone contacts and press Next. Enter your email password and press Next. Google may ask for verification. This could be through a text message or other recovery options. Once verified, tap on Accept for backup services. Don't press Skip, as this is the critical contacts retrieval step. The syncing process will start automatically. Wait until it's completed. Once done, you'll see the present date and time displayed below your email address. Now go back to your Contacts app, and you'll find the same contacts that were once on your old phone now on your new one. It will be the same number as was on the old device, in my case, 700 plus. Congratulations! You've successfully retrieved all your contacts onto your new device. And there you have it, folks. That's how you seamlessly back up and retrieve your contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.